Welcome to part 97 of Daily English. Today's situation. Everyday problems, returning a product. I'd like to return this product. Example. I'd like to return this product because it's damaged. I have the receipt. Example. I have the receipt with me. I bought it last week. Example. I bought it last week, but I haven't used it. It's damaged. Example. It's damaged, so I can't use it. I'd like a refund. Example. I'd like a refund, please. I'd like to exchange it. Example. I'd like to exchange it for a new one. We'll process your request. Example. We'll process your request as quickly as possible. Your refund has been approved. Example. Your refund has been approved. The money will be returned soon. Thank you for your cooperation. Example. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a nice day. Mini conversation. Customer, I'd like to return this product. It's damaged. Staff, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt? Customer, yes, I have the receipt. I'd like a refund. Staff, certainly. We'll process your request right away. Customer, thank you very much. Daily tip. When returning a product, bring your receipt if possible and explain the problem clearly. Be polite when asking for a refund or an exchange, and listen carefully to the store's return policy. Speaking challenge. Imagine you bought a damaged product at a store. Tell the staff when you bought it, explain the problem, say that you have the receipt, ask for a refund or an exchange, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 98. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.